Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's D7 here at Grok Trades Weekend Edition. It's Sunday night actually, the time I'm doing this video. So good through Sunday, September 16th, 2018. And the markets on Friday ended the day mostly bullish with the NASDAQ in negative territories down 0.3%, but financials up 0.7%, leading the charge for everybody else. But silver down 0.9%, gold down 0.65%. The VIX continues to drop. We're at 12.1. It's pretty good. And Bitcoin sits right around $6,500. Take a quick look here at the S&P 500 daily chart. The problem that I see here is we have this rising wedge. We rally up, and we're at this area of resistance, this 291.49. That area is a big-time area. Guys, I'm telling you, if you look here at the MACD, it looks like we're going to build a bearish divergence. We are in dire trouble here. I'm telling you right now, if this breaks down, we break this lower trend line, our chances of breaking the 20-day moving average are significant. And if we break the lower support level here, that's even worse. If we go down on the spider, if we go down below $287.62, very, very bad. Guys, it could get slippery and quickly. This could be very bearish going into the near future. I'm telling you, we just have to be careful. But every time we're threatened with this, the markets keep going higher. I'll tell you, because the VIX is at a 12, there's no fear out there. So to see this drop anytime soon just seems highly unlikely. But the technicals are saying it's setting up to drop. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to share with you there. So that's the spiders. Quick look here at the diamonds. We're near resistance here on the diamonds, which is the Dow 30. The NASDAQ, the tech stocks, rising wedge. And look how we dip down below. Hold on, I'm going to tweak this trend line ever so slightly. See if it still makes sense. Okay. It still makes sense. It makes sense right there. I'm good with this. But here's the problem. The problem is a couple things. Let me do this first. Let me get a line put in place. 181.10. So we have a rising wedge. It's having a hard time even getting to resistance again. It's threatening to drop. If we do drop, it breaks the neckline. If that happens, I'm telling you, you have a head and shoulder trend reversal pattern, and that's bad trouble. If you look here at the MACD on the NASDAQ, looks like we're going to get a crossover. We're barely above the zero line. Look for that to cross back down. If so, guys, this could be trouble. Technically speaking, pun intended, the markets are set up to drop, but the VIX, the fear indicator, is saying, hey, there's nothing to worry about. The markets are going to keep melting to the upside. Let's take a quick look here at the Russell's 2000, see if we get anything. I put a sell on that, but it did pop back up. I'll stay with my sell right now on the Russell's 2000, but this is a low base. This just looks fairly bearish to me. Financials, though, saying, hey, we're going to bounce, and I'm not ready to put a buy on it yet. I'm close, but we're caught between the 200-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and the 20-day moving average. This market can do anything caught up in the moving averages like this. Look for a big move on financials happening fairly soon. US dollar got a sell on it. It popped back up on Friday. Do I want to put a buy on this? That was the 14th, so that was Friday, Saturday, 16th. So that was Friday. And this is the 17th, which is tomorrow, which hasn't happened yet. So, you know what? I'm going to have to put a buy on that right there. Tweezer bottom. You can look at the date down below. Do you see the date? September 17th, 2018. Well, this is 2016 when I'm doing this video. September 16th. So this is actually how it ended on the 14th, which has been Friday. So, yeah, so we will go ahead and put a buy on that. Crude oil, got a sell on it, pops back up. Let's just see what happens with that silver. have a buy on it, but look what happened. We're gonna have to put a sell on this one, a sell on this one, and I think the same thing's gonna have to go on gold. Yes, we're gonna put a sell on this one. Also had a thrusting pattern on on Thursday, bearish thrusting pattern, but we have confirmation. I'm gonna go ahead and put a sell on that now. It's not a good sign for it. VIX, I got a sell on it. It's going down, but it's an inverted hammer. This could bounce here. Let's see what's going on in Bitcoin. I got a buy on it. It's still going higher. It's really good. Oh, before I get into the stocks of interest, before I do that, Grok trade, I have a new webinar, brand new. I worked all weekend. The reason I'm doing my video on the evening of Sunday opposed to like Friday or Saturday is because I put together a new webinar. It's a new PowerPoint presentation. I'm excited to start presenting this. Anyway, you can do it. Just go to groktrade.com, how to build wealth at trading, and how to build wealth at trading without risking all your money. Right here, click on that, get registered. We're going to do one tomorrow night. If you can't make it tomorrow night, if you just get registered, it will give you an access to be able to watch the recording. So just get registered for Monday night. Do that. Make that happen and listen to it. I put some incredibly important information in that webinar that will help you. All right, let's get back to the stocks. Let's go to the Dow 30. Dow 30, start with Apple. Apple's down 1%. I got a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy. There, AXP, got a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy. It's looking really, really good. Boeing, got a buy on it. Boom, that's looking really, really strong. Caterpillar, I have a big time buy on this. I'll stay with my buy. Cisco, got a buy on it. Starting to go higher, but this one I gotta watch. It could get slippery and start heading down. Chevron, got a buy on it. It did go higher, not bad. Discovery. Walt Disney, got a sell on it. I'm gonna stay with my sell on that one. Dow DuPont. I got a sell on it. It's going down. I'm good with that. GE, got a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy. Goldman Sachs, got a sell on it. Ooh. I'm going to stay with the sell, Goldman Sachs. Got a sell on Home Depot. It's dropping. IBM. I have a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy right now for that. Intel. Come on, populate here. Got a buy on that. I'll stay with my buy. Johnson & Johnson. Got a long-term buy on this one. Holy smokes. But do I want to take profits? Do I want to take profits? Do I? For you Grok graduates out there, look at the age of the trend. Count the age there on your swings. All right, I'm going to stay with it, but I think we're going to give some back. I'm hoping for a high base. JP Morgan, let's go there. I got a sell on it. I'm going to stay with my sell. It looks bad. Coca-Cola, got a sell on it. Pop back up, though. That's interesting. That's interesting, I have to admit. Do I want to switch my sell to a buy? I don't know. I'm not too sure I want to do that. If I did, oh boy. You know what? I'm going to. My sell is now a buy. MACD, or McDonald's rather. Got a sell on it. Oh, nasty little sell. Friday, 3M. I have a sell on it. I'll stay with my sell. Merck. I have a buy on it. What just a mess that's becoming. Just a mess. That thing's it's gonna be a sell soon, it looks like. Microsoft, got a buy on it. Oh, tweezer top. Doji, we're taking profits, guys. Sell. So we're in at 108, out at 113. Take our profits. Nike had a... Oh, I was going to say, why do I have two buys there? But I had a sell, turn it around to a buy. That's almost a sell again. PFE, got a buy on it. Oh, that's good. PG, got a buy on it. It's going to be a sell soon. Travelers, I got a buy on it. Oh boy, that's going to be a sell soon. UNH, have a buy on it, but that's going to be a sell at resistance. I'm going to take profits now. So we're in at 262, out at 265. Took 3 points. I'm happy with that. UTX, got a buy on it. Boom! Friday was a nice pop. Verizon, or Visa rather. Up, up, up. A Doji, man, I should take profits on that. I'm going to. So we're in at 145, out at 147. Take a couple points. Verizon, you got a buy on it, but there's my sell. So we're in at 53, almost 54, out at 54, 55. Not very much. These Dow 30s are kind of boring. Gonna buy on it. Let's turn around and put a sell on this one. Also, Walmart, got a sell on it. That could be a buy, guys. I'm gonna wait for confirmation, but that could be a continuation doji. Want to be careful there, Exxon. Up, 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 up. I'll stay with that. We're good. We're good. Let's go to tech stocks, man. We get some big movers with tech stocks. Let's go there. Grok tech stocks. We already looked at Apple. So AMD up 7%. Holy smokes. Got a buy on it. I'm good with that. Wow. Amazon, I got a sell on it, and I'm good with the sell. Baba. Why did I not have a buy there? I think we talked about that one. I'm going to put... Oh, we already have a sell. So I'm good with my sell there. Man. Baidu. Let's see. I got a sell. Same thing. No buy there. So I'll stay with my sell on that one. Booking. This is Priceline. I got a sell on it. And you know what? I think that's going to be a buy now. Priceline is going to be a buy. I'm good with that. Cisco, got a buy on it. I'll stay with that. Catfish. I have a buy and it's going up, but here's the problem. I may have to take my hit on this one. So I'm going to lose money on this one because I bought at 77. I'm going to sell at 76. So I lost on this one. Okay. eBay. I got a buy on it, but let's take our profits on that. We didn't make hardly anything on that, but it's just everything looks really bearish to me. I'll stay with my buy on Facebook, but Google, I have a sell on it. That is a big time sell opportunity. Google looks like it's ready to sell off, guys. That could be a good short. GoPro's off 3%. Have a sell on it. I'm good with that. Went down, touched this area of support, bounced right back up. Microsoft, I put a sell on it already. MU. We have earnings. Never hold over earnings. I got a sell on it. I'm gonna be. I'm gonna stay with my sell. Netflix, I got a sell on it. It did pop up. It's pulling down. I'll stay with my sell. Nvidia, got a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy. Oracle, got a buy on it. I'll stay with that. PayPal's off 1.5%. Ooh, it's good. Get the sell now. Let's take profits. So we were in at 88, 89, out at 90. So made a point or two. Okay. Red Hat. Got a buy. I'll stay with my buy, but it's under pressure. Shopify. Got a buy. I'm going to stay with my buy on that one. Snap. Got a sell on it. I'm going to stay with my sell. And Twitter, got a sell on it. That's a low base. Look to sell Twitter. I'm good with that. Sell. Monologue time. Here's the deal. Man, guys, thanks so much for your feedback on should I add the arrows, should I not add the arrows. You guys that came up with the idea, somebody came up with it first, and kudos to you saying, hold on. Yeah, we'd like to see the arrows added, but just change the colors so we know that they were added. And I'm just big on credibility. I'm big on being above reproach. I do put myself out there. I don't know anybody else that puts their trades out there for people to critique publicly. I do that, and people can see where I've made money, where I've lost money, but they can do their own calculations and see that, I mean, I do really well on my picks. I just do. This is, I know I got my, anyway. You're looking at my face. I'm looking at a chart like we're still looking at the charts, but I'm probably blowing up with the editing, and all you can see is my face. But you can go back and see those. Now, I just made the decision. I don't need to add them. I'm just leaving them alone. I didn't add the. It was on me, right? So I didn't look at the charts. I didn't get them added in time. And even though I have very strict rule sets that I follow on what should be a buy and what should not be a buy, that's actually what we teach in our mentoring. Even though I have those strict rules, and all of our students, I mean, we got thousands of students, all of them, a lot of them, not all of them, watch my videos still, and they know what the rule sets are. They know if I put a buy or a sell and why I have a buy or a sell. So as far as my conscience is concerned, I'm cool with putting arrows on. And the problem is not everybody understands that, right? There's a lot of people that all they see is a video from time to time. They run across it, and you have to be. I mean, guys, have you guys seen that video that I think his Weather Channel did, where they showed the Hurricane Florence, and he was acting like the wind was blowing him over, and there was people in the background walking just with shorts on, kind of in the background, where he was faking how much the wind was hitting him. You just can't believe anything on the internet. I hope that with what I show you here, with me placing my trades and putting my buy and sells on these charts, that you see them. The times that we're doing the chart, and just like on this video, how many arrows did I add? I probably added 3 or 4 arrows right here for everybody to see. You guys now from this point forward can see this. This video is being done even before the futures come out. So the futures, by the time, will come out in about 10 to 15 minutes from the time of this moment. I don't even know if we're going to be bullish or bearish. And it could be a significant bullish or bearish move. I don't care. I'm only playing, and I'm only making decisions based off of what I see right now. And that's all we as traders have access to, is what's price action and volume showing us today at this moment. That's how we make our decision. We don't make it off of what might happen or what could happen. We want to step out of the way of the train. We never want to be holding over earnings or holding over huge news events. Let gamblers take those risks. We want to trade with a probability stacked in our corner. So when we're trading, we know the odds are stacked in such a way that after 10 trades, we're going to win more than we lose. And we're going to profit. We're going to profit from that. So anyway, do I look at the charts every day? I don't, not every day. But when I do, I'm placing arrows on, even if I do a video or not. So for you guys out there that thinks that I only put arrows on only when I do a video, that's incorrect, because I still have my own stuff going on. I'm still trading. I'm still doing my chart analysis. So all I'm doing is I'm pulling back the curtain so you can see these are my charts. I used to show another set of charts that were clean of all of my arrows, where you guys just had a highly scrubbed, sanitized chart, and all you got to see were some trend lines. Now I'm kind of letting you in on my charts with my arrows, okay? So I don't do a video every day. So you'll get arrows that pop in and out. So anyway, the video, I highly recommend that you go to groktrade.com, scroll down to the bottom, and go to how to build wealth at trading without putting all your money at risk. take that webinar. Join us tomorrow night, Monday night. But I'll do it. I'll probably do the same thing Tuesday night, Wednesday night. I'll probably do it Tuesday and Wednesday nights also. So if you can join us any of those nights, or at least register for the Monday, and if you don't attend, it'll give you you'll get a link so you can watch the recording. I think you'll be helped by it. So anyway, that's it. Take care. All the best to each and every one of you guys. So, look at you guys later. We'll see you. Bye.